Now, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. The function of CSS is basically to add beauty to your website. For example, if you need color, you can add color in CSS. If you need certain lines to be drawn, like maybe you are trying to draw something similar to a form and you need to beautify the background of the colors, you do that in CSS. CSS helps you to do some basic beautification of the website. And these are not also that difficult. All you have to do is just learn the fundamentals. The fundamentals. Now, some of those fundamentals are just what are there in the reference books. So even if you learn it today and you don't remember it, you can always go ahead and reference them. And when you reference them, then you go ahead and use what has been referenced, and you have no problem. You have no problem. So nobody who is a programmer is actually going to tell you that I'm such a guru that I do not Google some things. Okay, we do. Once we have learned it and we have gotten the job, we have gotten the task, if you forget something, you Google. In fact, at this age, the greatest advantage of coding is that you can go ahead and Google. But you basically need to understand the fundamentals. Okay, you need to understand the fundamentals. So go ahead, get yourself ready to learn HTML, and after that, CSS. Remember, I said CSS. All right. Now, in CSS, basically, you're going to learn how to add styles, colors. Okay, you're going to learn how to add maybe frames, grids, flex grids, and all that. All right. Once you are good with that, so if you like to get in more, you can. There's a link in my bio that will allow you to connect with me, and then when I'm running the next training, you go ahead and join us in our training. Okay, on how we move from skill to profit. We move people that have skills to be able to make money. All right.